Hearing aids today have never been more advanced. They're smarter, they're smaller, they're more tailored than ever before. But one little thing has always been an issue: wax. Everybody has it. So we set ourselves a big goal: rethink the dome. A small change that can make a big impact.
Started with 3 promising ideas, but promising isn't enough. We put all 3 ideas to the test, head to head. Prototype, test, learn, iterate. Each iteration sharpens the design.
We explored solutions to seal out earwax entirely. It was all about finding the right design without sacrificing comfort and fit.
This was my first project at Sonova, and it put us all to the test. Round by round, we improved performance, made it more comfortable and more reliable. We knew we had a great idea and just had to keep iterating.
Finally, we had a prototype that worked. Excellent performance and a shape that fits comfortably in the ear.
To make it real, we needed hair width precision consistently. We found a partner who could push past the limit. That's when EasyGuard became a reality.
To make the precision repeatable, we built a digital twin of each prototype with micro CT scanning. It was critical to see how the design held up in mass production to keep those tight tolerances and the right performance for every dome.
Every EasyGuard goes through a multi-step validation with strict pass-fail criteria. This ensures that every single dome is going to meet the performance standards that you have come to expect from Phonak.
Once the design was finalized, we asked selected audiologists from different countries to put EasyGuard to work in real clinics. The feedback was clear: easier care, less maintenance, and happy clients. At EuHA, the reception was amazing. People loved it.
None of this would have been possible without a great cross-functional team. Together, we turned a small idea into something that makes a big impact for our customers and consumers.
EasyGuard makes caring for hearing aids easier. Less time on wax management means more time for client care and ensures the best possible hearing experience. That is our promise to you.